Hello again guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my 31st birthday. Well, tomorrow is my 31st birthday, but today we are doing something special. We are just about to head off to the Warner Brothers studio tour and we're taking you all along with us. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go. So I'm going to be taking you all along with us on the studio tour. I'm going to be taking you around the gift shop, around the restaurants, the Butterbeer pub. I'm going to take you everywhere. So yeah, you won't want to miss this video. How long away are we? About an hour. We're about an hour away currently. I just want to get there now, to be honest. So we are just approaching the Dartford Bridge, and who can remember in the Deathly Hallows Part 1 when Harry went through the tunnel? I can't remember what side he went through. I think it's this side. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments. Quick toilet break. So guys, we are here. We are at the Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio tour and I can't wait to check it out. I've been here obviously a few times already, but as I said in the car, we've got a few more things to look at today. I think they arrived last year, so yeah, because we went the year before, so yeah, the new editions arrived in 2022. Do you know what I love most about this is it's not just inside that it's a spectacle, it's a spectacle on the outside as well. You have the props actually in the car park basically. So yeah, the tour starts from the minute you get here, which is amazing. So obviously you come in from over there and this is the car park here. It is free parking with your ticket, which is good, and there's always plenty of parking. We've never had an issue about where to park every time we've arrived. You have your toilets just there, and over there are the Harry Potter buses. You can pick those up from Watford if you would rather get the night bus here. So yeah, and then when you come out the car park, you cross over the zebra crossing and already you can see, yeah, amazing. And if you hadn't noticed already, I've got my Happy Birthday Harry top on, which I purchased from Etsy. But I thought it was very suited to this day out, because obviously it's my birthday. As you walk towards the studios, you've got obviously all the various artworks from the movies up there. That's obviously from, I think, the Deathly Hallows. Correct me if I'm wrong. That one is, I think, a scene from the Philosopher's Stone, because Hogwarts changed over time, didn't it? So I actually love that, that's gorgeous. And then you move over here and they have the chess pieces from the first film. Philosopher's Stone in the UK, Sorcerer's Stone in the US. And they, like, seriously guys, they are huge. And they are absolutely stunning. So I think this one would have to be my absolute fave, just because I've got the bookend at home from the Noble collection. So yeah, I am a little bit biased, but yeah, I just love the fact that, I mean, it probably is naturally aged now a bit, to be fair, as that was probably over 20 years ago, that film. So, but yeah, I just love the detail that's gone into these. So, without further ado, let's go inside. So the doors to the studios open at 8:30, and I think our tour's at 9, so we've not got long to wait. So yeah, I think it will be just a quick dash around the restaurant to see what cakes and goodies they have, and then maybe a what have you just done in the bag, as I was saying, and then a quick look around the gift shop, and then it'll be time to go into the tour. So yeah, really excited. So guys, as you first enter inside, you've got, if you want to get a digital guide along with your tour, and obviously you've got all the acceptance letters to Hogwarts painted all around. So yeah, there's something to look at in every single room. And over here, you've actually got a oversized acceptance letter. So yeah, it's the letter that started it all. It's even got the wax seal. How cool is that? So I thought we'd start off by showing you the restaurant when you first come in. I think this is called the Frog Café. So yeah, I'll show you that first before we head into the tour. So over here is where you get your butterbeer and refreshments, and that is something really amazing. Absolutely spectacular. So yeah, that's going to carry me home later. So we are heading now to the Frog Cafe. So I'll show you all what they have there and the prices. So as you enter into it, you've got a humongous Marauders map there up on the wall, and then directly in front of you you've got the food counter, which is obviously in a shape of the chocolate frog box. I mean, the attention to detail is absolutely amazing. You have got, I think, are these real ice creams or are they replica? I don't know, either way they look absolutely delicious. And to be honest with you, everything is really reasonably priced. You've got your hot chocolate there, which is $4.50. Again, no more expensive than a Costa coffee. And yeah, I think everything's a good price. So you've got a butterbeer blondie, which looks absolutely delish. You've got the Norbert egg cakes, which look at the detail on those, and they look absolutely delicious. You've got these lovely marshmallow cookie sandwiches. That looks absolutely delicious. And this Gringotts Bullion brownie, which I think I might get one of those if I'm honest. And then to the left is where you can come for afternoon tea. And yeah, literally it's like you're in the Great Hall, isn't it? It's decorated so beautifully, and that would be a dream of mine to do that one day. Yeah, absolutely lovely. And then this is the main restaurant. I'd be disappointed if they didn't sell a pumpkin pasty in here. But yeah, in here you get your full English breakfasts. They do have a vegan option as well, which is really good. You've got your blueberry muffins, your chocolate muffins, crumpets with Marmite, crumpets with jam, crumpets with cheese. And obviously if you've got kids, there is a snack box as well for them, which comes in a wonderful cardboard night bus. So that's cool. So yeah guys, there is loads of choice here, literally loads of choice. And I think I'm going to try one of the cakes. So should we give it a try together and see what it tastes like, shall we? I don't know what one to get. What are your thoughts? I'm really torn between the brownie and the blondie. But yeah, let's have another look. So I'm having another look, and I think I'm going to go for the Gringotts Bullion brownie. So we're going to do a taste test together. I like the way it comes on this as well. This is cool. It's really gooey. Oh, and it comes with a chocolate coin on the top as well. I didn't know that. That's a nice touch. That is so gooey. It's so lovely. Whilst I've been sitting here, I've noticed, look. I'm a wizard. These are really cool. They're like the chocolate frog cards. I've actually got a few of those. I really sounded like Ron then, didn't I? I've got loads of him. But I have, because every time I come here I always get a chocolate frog. So today will be no different. So hopefully I'll get a different card today. I think I've got Dumbledore. I've got like, I've got McGonagall. I'll have to have a look and show you. So the brownie was absolutely delish. And now we're heading towards the tour. So yeah, we're about to start. Oh. So these are really cool. You can pick these up when you enter, and basically it's a Harry Potter activity passport. So on your way round, you sort of, I'll open it, so you stamp each page as you go, They've got some stamps along the way, and you just collect them all, and it's just a nice little touch to keep from your time here. So whilst you wait in the queue line, there are lots of things to look at, and one of my favourite things is the cupboard under the stairs, which is obviously where we saw Harry for the very first time. But it's mad to think, isn't it, that he was literally that small that he went inside of there. So whilst you wait, I love this.
Right, the next tour will be starting in a back your way on this side.
And that is my favourite out of all of the films, without a doubt. Absolutely love The Prisoner of Azkaban. Open the door to the Great Hall. So please.
Come on in. So yes, this is the Great Hall. It was one of the first sets ever constructed for the films and one of the largest. The Great Hall stood for